At the Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation, we are committed to developing students who are equipped with practical skills alongside their academic qualifications. From 100 level, every student begins entrepreneurial training in areas such as fashion design, shoe, bag and leather works, catering and confectionery, decoration and event planning, hairdressing and unisex salon services, solar panel installation and maintenance, and several other vocational skills. Throughout their stay at McPherson University, they receive hands-on training from experienced instructors and are awarded certificates upon successful completion of their study. Our mission is to produce graduates who are innovative, self-reliant, and prepared to create opportunities for themselves and others. We believe entrepreneurship is the key to sustainable development, which is why we intentionally nurture our students to become business owners, employers of labor, and positive contributors to society, rather than depending solely on government employment.